What's up, guys? So the last thing you do, you just come here, where like your video is, and you just select like a little bit of a cloud. Then you put it. First, you have to come here. Uh, just come here. Then you just create new. Okay, you can make it very white. Then you can come from here and you use like whatever tool you prefer. So you can use a form, you can use this. I'll just and draw a circle around the person, then you click option, then you click copy from that person, then you come straight to the white background. From the white background you just click Control V. Then after clicking Control V from the background, then you go from the side, where like you will go to, there will be opacity, then there will be sharpness. From sharpness, just try to decrease it about 90%, so it won't be very sharp towards the curve. It will be very smooth and not noticeable for some errors that you did. So guys, this is the final episode of how to remove your background on an image. I hope you guys do have a little bit of an understanding on how to remove the background, so next time you won't be stressed about how to remove the background. If you love me to move very slow and you love me to say everything in detail, please do let me know. That's exactly what I will be doing. If you didn't watch some episode, go straight to the description. That's where you'll find like the playlist. Click to the first link, will send you straight to the playlist where all like the series for how to remove the background are found. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next course on a video.